There we go. Down this little ridge line, there's the outhouse. Over there in the distance. We go along the edge of this little ravine. Well, not little by any means. Wow, a few squirrels around the base of that tree. That's nuts. That is nuts. Animal tracks everywhere. Nice little hike out. We're probably 45 minutes or so, maybe an hour. Haven't checked the time. I'm gonna sit on the edge of my neighbor's happy shack here. Catch a drink of water. Let the dog get a breather. He's been going as deep and hard as he can. Here, Toad. Going up to the camp. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Takes direction very well for a dog. There's a little happy shack. All right.